Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money with crypto using just your Android phone in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or already into crypto, I'm going to break down easy and legit ways to earn money from your phone, no expensive PC or mining rig required. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's get you one step closer to financial freedom. So why Android? Android devices are super flexible. You can install wallets, exchanges, staking apps, and even run. The Google Play Store supports most major crypto apps from Binance to Trust Wallet, unlike iOS, which has tighter restrictions. Plus, Android lets you download APK files to access decentralized apps dApps that might not even be on the store yet. So in 2025, Android is your best bet for making money with crypto on the go. Top 6 ways to make money with crypto on Android. 1. Crypto faucets and microtasks. Apps like Cointoply, FreeCash, and Idle Empire let you earn small amounts of crypto by watching ads, playing games, or answering surveys. Not huge money, but it's 100% passive friendly and beginner safe. Great for stacking satoshis. 2. Mobile staking and earning. Use apps like Trust Wallet, Exodus, or Binance to stake coins like Solana, Cardano, or Matic. You just hold your crypto, and it earns rewards automatically. Set it and forget it, passive income style. 3. P2E gaming. Play earn. Crypto games like Gods Unchained, Beaten Arena, and upcoming 2025 mobile projects reward players with tokens or ENTs. You can flip these ENTs or trade the in-game tokens on DEXs for profit. Use Gamefi. Wallets like Argent's, MetaMask, or Zdefi wallet for better integration. 4. Airdrops and beta testing new crypto apps. 2025 is a big year for Web3 mobile adoption, and many new dApps reward early users. Sites like airdrops.io, CoinMarketCap airdrops, and Zeeli.io list ongoing campaigns. Join crypto discords, test new apps, and complete simple tasks to earn free tokens. 5. Trading and investing on mobile exchanges. With apps like Binance, KuCoin, and Bybit, you can spot trade, margin trade, or even copy trade top traders. Use bots like Pionex or 3 Commas that have mobile interfaces, set stop losses, and alerts directly from your Android. Pro tip: use layer 2 tokens like Arbitrum Arb or Optimism Off to save on gas fees when trading. 6. Referral and affiliate rewards. Crypto apps like Binance, BitGet, and Labik pay you to invite friends. You get up to 40% commission on every trade your referrals make. Promote your link via TikTok, WhatsApp, or YouTube Shorts. Bonus methods. Run a mobile node for advanced users. Projects like Nodal or Mina Protocol offer mobile node options. Just let the app run in the background and earn tokens for supporting the network. Learn to earn platforms. Use Coinbase Learn, Binance Learn, and CoinMarketCap Earn to watch short lessons and earn free crypto. Tools you need. Must have Android apps for 2025. Trust Wallet for DeFi and staking. Binance for trading. Ethereum or DeBank to track your wallet and portfolio. Brave browser BAT while browsing. Token Pocket access dApps directly. Keep your phone safe. Always enable to use a secure lock screen. Don't download shady APKs. Mistakes to avoid falling for double your crypto scams. Giving your private key or seed phrase to anyone. Using sketchy wallets. Ignoring gas fees and slippage in DeFi apps. Stay alert and stay informed. Follow trusted channels like this one. And there you have it. In 2025, your Android device is a full-blown crypto money machine. Let me know in the comments, which method will you try first? Got other crypto apps you use on Android? Drop them below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more crypto money making tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.